Samsung's just announced Galaxy S24 FE might look and even feel like its predecessor. Let's compare the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE versus Samsung Galaxy A55 to see which might be right for you. Samsung S24 FE come with a 6.7-inch that's significantly larger than the 6.6-inch AMOLED panel on the Galaxy A55. Both phones come in AMOLED 2X panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Galaxy S24 FE power BT Exynos 2400E chip with 8GB RAM, and Galaxy A55 power by Exynos 1480 with 12GB RAM. Both phones run Android 14 and One UI 6.1. Both the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy S23 FE feature 3 rear cameras, and although both have a 50MP main lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, the Galaxy A55 5G features a 5MP macro lens, whereas the S24 FE has a much more useful 8MP telephoto lens instead. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G has a larger battery than the Galaxy S24 FE, with a 5000 mAh capacity compared to the FE's 4700 mAh, with 25W wired, 15W wireless charging. If you are thinking of upgrading from the Galaxy S23 FE to the Galaxy A5, yes, you get a bigger display, powerful chipset, and longer software support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.